सो हे गाइस, अ वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं फुल एनर्जेटिक मोड में हूँ क्योंकि आज मेरी वन ऑफ द फेवरेट कंपनी सूरत प्रमोशन करने आई है, वो भी वीआर मॉल में। तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी कि कौन सी बाइक्स वो लोग लेके आए हैं यहाँ पे प्रमोशन के लिए। लेट्स सी, मैंने दीप भाई को फ़ोन कर दिया है, वो मुझे बाहर मिल रहा है, उसके घर के बाहर आ रहा है। हम उसको पिक करेंगे और सीधा जाएंगे वीआर मॉल और वहीं आपको दिखाएंगे कौन सी बाइक्स आई है आज। सो लेट्स एंटर गाइस। उन्होंने हमारा कैमरा ले लिया, मैंने से अंदर रखवा दिया और बोला कि आप गोप्रो से शूट नहीं कर सकते हो, यहाँ वीआर की पॉलिसी है वैसी। तो वी थॉट हमारे पास तो फ़ोन है यार, फ़ोन से तो शूट कर ही सकते हैं, चलते वहीं पे सीधा इवेंट हो रही है वहाँ पे। सो गाइस, हियर वी आर एट वीआर मॉल और यहाँ पे है इनका डिस्प्ले। ट्रायम्फ मोटरसाइकिल यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो रही है। यहाँ पे 3 मोटरसाइकिल्स डिस्प्ले में है आज और बाकी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें zarnoosh भाई देंगे और वो थोड़ा सा अभी बिज़ी है। फ्री होंगे तो हम तीन की सारी डिटेल्स हम जानते हैं मिस्टर zarnoosh से।
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
तो अब मिलते हैं मिस्टर zarnoosh से। हाय zarnoosh भाई, कैसे हो?
Hi Harsh, nice to meet you.
Right.
How are you?
I'm all good.
Great. So Harsh, as you already know, I'm the business head for Triumph Motorcycles in Gujarat.
Right.
And today I'm going to take you through a quick tour of the motorcycle lineup that we've got here to VR Mall.
Sure.
So we'll start first with our Trident 660. This is the entry-level bike, big bike that we call for Triumph Motorcycles currently in India. This has a 660cc engine which churns an 80 bhp output, and compared to the other motorcycles that are available or were available in the past, Triumph has taken a lot of initiative in making this motorcycle very approachable for people who are moving into the big bike segment. The motorcycle rideability is of the highest quality. The fit and finish, as you would see, is of the utmost quality with Triumph, and definitely very encouraging price point because we start at only 7,45,000 ex showroom pan India. So this particular motorcycle allows us to invite and bring into the Triumph family a lot many riders who are looking for something which is very practical and very rideable day to day as well as for highway and touring purpose. So next I will show you the Triumph Tiger 900 GT. Now the Tiger for many years has been India's favorite adventure bike. The Tiger has been inspiring a lot of riders to take up long journeys. There is a lot of history that the Tiger has created all over the world, and now already doing in India with more and more thousands of kilometers being clocked by many riders. So adventure is the flavor or the taste of the Tiger. The motorcycle is very well balanced, which is the ultimate point which I would like to state first compared to other motorcycle segment. Yet, if you see the new revised engine is a 900cc. The previous segment used to be 800cc, revised to a 900cc. The Tiger 900 comes in 3 different variants. You have a GT, a Rally and a Rally Pro as of now.
Okay.
The GT, if you see, has got the alloy wheels.
Right.
The Rally has got the spoke wheels.
Right.
And the Rally Pro has also got the spoke wheels. These are spoke wheels with tubeless tires.
Right.
This is a new addition. The motorcycle comes with a new cluster, which is fully digital, and also a lot of other electronic upgrades from the predecessor. So when you talk about the Tiger, it will be hopefully the first choice that somebody will want, because it's a very nimble and a very agile motorcycle to ride around. It does for day-to-day riding, but yes, the real essence of the Tiger comes out when you take the bike
On the
somewhere
highway.
to the mountains or some other places where the road ends and the off-road begins.
Yeah.
And next we take a look at my favorite motorcycle from Triumph, which is none other than the Rocket 3. The Rocket 3 is the world's largest production motorcycle. At 2500cc, there is no other manufacturer that makes an assembly line engine which bolts onto a motorcycle chassis.
Right.
This motorcycle, when it was launched, it created some crazy reviews in the market. People were finding it hard to believe that Triumph Motorcycles UK was able to pull off this engineering feat. It's an engineering marvel, and whoever's watching this, you should dive into the details of how this bike came together as a thought and how it was executed. Just to touch upon a bit, the Rocket 3 is our flagship motorcycle. The Rocket 3 comes in 2 variants. One is the Rocket 3 R and one is the Rocket 3 GT. R stands for Roadster and GT stands for Grand Touring.
Right.
So Roadster is a stance, or the riding stance of a Roadster is going to be a little on top, whereas the GT is going to be a little relaxed.
Relaxed.
The Roadster makes for a fantastic day-to-day riding motorcycle, whereas the GT is going to be more for your longer journeys.
Yes.
And
so it will give you the
both
comfortable
stands,
ride.
True. Both the stands are comfortable. Neither of them make this particular bike feel like a handful. All the more, the Rocket 3 from the previous version to the current version has shed a lot of weight.
Right.
So weight shedding, increase in cubic capacity,
Okay.
revised engine and body weight distribution has led to fantastic rideability,
Okay.
and also that we at Triumph bring this motorcycle at a very fantastic price. So you have got the Rocket 3, which is at 20,03,000 for the
Okay.
R model ex showroom,
Okay.
and 20,80,000 ex showroom for the GT.
Right.
And so that'll be all for today. Harsh, thank you so much for visiting us and covering our lovely Triumph motorcycles. Hope you enjoyed the Triumph experience.
Yes, I have experienced a lot.
Lovely. And see you tomorrow for our garage shoot in the morning.
For sure.
See you then.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye.